Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix voice assistant not responding Alexa. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If Alexa isn't responding, there are several troubleshooting steps that you can do. So the first is check your power and connectivity. Ensure the device is powered on. Verify that your Alexa device is plugged in and showing its normal indicator light. Restart your device, unplug it, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. And then make sure to check your Wi-Fi connection as well. Simply head over to the settings by scrolling down from the top and then simply selecting the network option or switching to the stronger Wi-Fi. Move closer to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signals can affect Alexa's performance, and ensure the wake word is heard as well. Simply tap on talking to Alexa and then you'll find the option that says wake word. Simply tap on it and you can also change the wake word and then try again. Speak clearly, ensure your voice is audible and clear, and reduce background noise. Loud environments can make difficult for Alexa to detect commands. Then you can check if the microphone is muted or not. Look for a red light on the device. If mic is muted, press the microphone button to unmute it. Clean the device. Dust or dirt can block the microphone as well, gently clean around it as well. And then you can update the Alexa app and device. Ensure the app on your smartphone is updated to the latest version, and make sure the same is for your Alexa device as well. If anything fails, what you can do is reset your device. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.